Welcome to my new blog post 54. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the strategic and business management skills of a project managers that are required to handle the project. So let's start. So basically, strategic and business management skills involves the ability to see the high level overview of the organization and effectively negotiate and implement decisions and actions that support strategic alignment and innovation. This ability may include a working knowledge of other functions such as finance, marketing, and operations. Strategic and business management skills may also include developing and applying patent, product, and industry experience. This business knowledge is also known as domain knowledge. Managers should be knowledgeable enough about these business enough about the business to be able to explain to the others the essential business aspects of the projects, work with the project sponsor team and subject matter experts to develop an appropriate project delivery strategy and implement the strategy in a way that maximizes the business value of the project. So basically, in order to make the best decisions regarding the successful delivery of their projects, project managers should seek out and consider the expertise of the operational managers who run the business in their organization. These managers should know the work performed in their organization and how project plans will affect that work. The more the project manager is able to know about the project's subject matter, the better. At a minimum, the project manager should be knowledgeable enough to explain the others the following aspects of the organization. First one is strategy, second one is mission, third one is goals and objectives, product and services is the fourth one, operations, for example, location type, technology, the market and the market conditions such as customers state of the market, for example, either the markets are growing or shrinking, and time to market the forecast, and it contains other aspects as well. Last one is competition, for example, what who position in the marketplace. So the project manager should apply the knowledge and information about the organization to the project to ensure the alignment of strategy, mission, goals, and objectives. They need to prioritize, they need to provide tactics, and they need to know about the product and services, for example, the deliverables that are required to be put in. So um, the last part of the strategic and business management skill is related to the determination of the project, because strategic and business skills help project manager to determine which business factor should be considered for their project. The project manager determines how these business and strategic factors could affect the project while understanding the interrelationship between the project and the organizations. So these factors are risk and issues, financial implications, cost versus benefit analysis, for example, net present value, return on investment, including the various options that are considered. And then there is a business value, then business realization, expectation, and strategies. And the last one includes scope, budgeting, scheduling, and the quality of the end product. Through the application of the business knowledge, a project manager has the ability to make the appropriate decisions and recommendations for a project. As condition changes, the project manager should be continually working with the project sponsor to keep the business and the project strategies aligned. So this is all about the project managers business and strategic skills that are required. Now, coming towards our star questions, strategic and business skills help the project manager to determine which business factors should be considered for their project. First option is scope. second option is project plan, third option is maths for risk, and fourth one is team management. So answer lies within this video. So please do not forget to answer the question of this video in the comment section.